Hello everyone, my name is Sammy and welcome, and today I will be showing you how I created little gemstones out of erasers. I think they turned out pretty cute, so here we go. Okay, so pretty much the only thing you're going to need for this project is some erasers. I got these colorful erasers at the dollar store, and then you're also going to need an X-Acto knife or some sort of knife to cut them. So I'm pretty sure this should be pretty easy. You're just going to basically take an eraser, and do be very careful if you're using an X-Acto knife or any kind of knife. Maybe you'd want to ask for an adult's help, or just, just be super careful. So in order to basically create the gemstone shapes, you're just going to cut the eraser at different angles. That's pretty much it. Now, maybe you want to, I don't know, I'm kind of just winging it here, so I'm also getting cuts in my desk. So I also would recommend not just cutting on a surface like this and getting some sort of item to cut on top of, maybe like cardboard or something, but I don't have that right now, so we're just winging it. Yay! And then you're just going to continue to cut little shapes, little chunks of eraser off till you get a shape that you like. Now this can be completely random, and it doesn't have to be perfect, especially since, this may be the first one you're trying to do or something like that. So I'm hacking off little by little to create somewhat of a gemstone shape. Now it might also be easier if you have larger erasers. These are, like I said, I just got at the dollar store, and they're pretty small, but they do the trick. They look kind of cute. I don't know if you can see that. Okay, I managed to make this one a little bit better. It's got a little more of a gemstone shape to it. I actually quite like it. So that's pretty much it. You're basically just going to take your erasers and just cut them into shapes and see how much you like it. It may take, like I said, a little bit of trial and error, but you'll get there. So you might also want to draw these out before you start cutting, just to get a better idea of what you want. But eventually, there we go. Eventually they'll start to look kind of nice. I like this one. See? So just take some trial and error. You will get there. You'll get it eventually. And it'll eventually look pretty nice. There you go. Alright, so that is pretty much about it. I think that's enough cutting up erasers here. So, as I said, eventually you will get a bit better at it. But, take some practice. So, there you go. So that is how I created the little gemstones out of the erasers. You can make as many as you want. I was just simply showing you the method that I used. Pretty simple. You just got to be very careful. So that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you all next time. Bye!